It's no longer science fiction. AI-powered robots are now stepping into roles once thought exclusively human. In China, humanoid machines are entering the MMA arena, battling it out in full-contact tournaments. And across the globe, robotic soldiers like the Porton Man are training in hazardous environments for the U.S. Army. From combat to content to military defense, robots aren't coming. They've already arrived. 100% of people watching this have something to say. So smash the like button and tell us in the comments, which job do you think AI will replace next? The idea of robots fighting in combat arenas has jumped from sci-fi to reality, and China's leading the charge. In a surprising twist, developers have turned humanoid robots into AI-powered MMA fighters, capable of balance, striking, dodging, and even adapting mid-fight. These aren't remote-controlled machines. They're autonomous units using sensors, computer vision, and machine learning to execute full-body movements in real time. The tournaments aren't just for show. Engineers and robotics startups see this as a testing ground for real-world applications. Everything from military training to advanced mobility research. These AI fighters operate on force-controlled limbs and run on high-performance operating systems that track speed, movement, and reaction time, mimicking human behavior under pressure. China's government has even launched a robot combat league where humanoids compete in full-contact matches under strict rules. These robots don't just swing wildly. They respond to attacks, strategize in motion, and improve with each round. It's a dramatic step toward autonomous physical intelligence, and it's already capturing global attention. What was once a movie scene is now a national tech project. With AI robots entering the ring, China's sending a clear message. The age of human-exclusive competition is over. While robot fighters are making headlines in China, another revolution is happening quietly online, and it might be even more disruptive. Meet DeepAgent, an AI system designed to create full-length YouTube videos without any human involvement. From scripting and voiceovers to editing, thumbnail generation, and publishing, DeepAgent handles the entire video production pipeline autonomously. This isn't just basic automation. DeepAgent can research topics, write compelling narratives, and edit with transitions, subtitles, and visuals that align with the script. It chooses relevant B-roll, adds sound design, and even writes SEO-optimized titles and descriptions. In essence, it's doing what used to take an entire creative team and doing it 24/7. The implications are massive. DeepAgent has already posted hundreds of videos to YouTube, building real audiences with zero human content creators. That means influencers, editors, and digital marketers may soon find themselves competing with bots that never sleep, never get tired, and never miss a deadline. What makes DeepAgent even more game-changing is its agentic behavior. It doesn't wait for input. It makes decisions based on performance, adjusts its strategy, and learns from engagement data. That's not automation. That's autonomous content creation. If AI can replace not just labor, but creativity, what happens to the future of storytelling, media, and influence? The answer might already be live on your YouTube homepage. While some robots are fighting for sport and others are taking over YouTube, a third wave is advancing quietly into our homes and even the battlefield. One standout example is UBTech's Walker S, a humanoid robot with a price tag of around $20,000, designed as a full-time home assistant. It's not just a toy or prototype. It walks, talks, listens, and performs real household tasks. Walker S can greet guests, deliver drinks, and even recognize family members by voice and face. It's been demonstrated handling objects, navigating obstacles, and responding to complex commands, all powered by onboard AI systems. In a world where labor shortages and aging populations are creating new pressures, UBTech is betting big that robots like Walker S will soon become as common as smartphones. But while some humanoids are being marketed for convenience, others are being built for survival, like the Porton Man, developed by the US military. This robot is specifically designed to simulate human exposure to chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear threats. It helps train soldiers and test military gear in conditions far too dangerous for humans. With sensors embedded across its body and flexible joints that mimic human movement. Porton Man is a digital soldier in every sense, one that feels no pain, fear, or fatigue. These machines represent the two sides of AI robotics, one for comfort and one for combat, and both are growing fast. As development costs shrink and performance increases, we'll likely see a rise in multi-role humanoid robots, capable of switching between household help and emergency response in real time. What ties them all together is a common truth. Robots aren't future tech anymore. They're working, walking, talking, and fighting today. Whether they're helping in kitchens, replacing editors, entering combat zones, or stepping into MMA cages, they're doing what only humans could do until now. We're not preparing for the robot era. We're living in it. From robot MMA fighters in China to autonomous AI video editors and military-grade humanoids, one thing is absolutely clear. Robots are no longer futuristic concepts. They're functional replacements, and they're arriving faster than anyone expected. These developments aren't isolated events. They signal a turning point in how we think about work, skill, and even creativity. For the first time, we're watching machines step into physical, emotional, and strategic roles that were once seen as uniquely human. They don't just execute commands. They learn, adapt, create, and improve. Whether they're winning in combat, generating viral content, or preparing for war zones. And these aren't lab prototypes anymore. They're entering competitions, gaining audiences, serving customers, and training military units. As companies and governments continue to invest in AI robotics, the idea of robots as side tools is disappearing. They're becoming frontline performers, workers, entertainers, and even defenders. The real question now isn't when robots will replace humans. It's what will be left for us to do when they already are. This shift comes with serious implications. Ethics, regulation, privacy, and employment are all on the line. But one thing is certain. Ignoring it isn't an option. Whether it's the $20,000 home bot, a military training dummy that never blinks, or an AI video creator that never stops working, robots are now competing directly with us, and often winning. We're witnessing the beginning of a new hierarchy, one where intelligence, endurance, and adaptability aren't just human advantages anymore. The line between assistance and replacement is blurring, and every new launch pushes that boundary a little further. So now it's your turn. Which job do you think AI will replace next? And which one should it never touch? Let us know in the comments. 100% of viewers have a reaction to this, and we want to hear yours. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the technology that's transforming the world faster than we can process it.